Hello, this is your host Akhil Navluri and welcome to the very new reel of the TechoSpace podcast tutorial. So in this podcast tutorial, I'll be talking about the most important and let's say the most crucial types of programming language, which is Python. But this time I'm not going to talk anything very technical. I'm not going to go to the inside parts about the programs or anything like that, but I'll be just talking about the most relatable and the most required concept in Python, which are called libraries, packages, and the subfunctions that are associated with. Okay, I will take the example of a library here, or let's say like I'll take an example of a package. So libraries are something, as you understand, libraries are like a place where you have like collection of books, like based on a different categorization, like fiction books, like non-fiction books, mystery books, coming of age books, etc., like autobiographies, everything. So we'll consider the example of a library here. In library, you have multiple packages. So I'll talk about a package here. Let's say when we have a particular function or let's say a particular command stating import, import pyplot. So here we are trying to import. So from that library, we are trying to gather a particular package called pyplot. So pyplot here is a package, or in simple words, I can say that pyplot is a kind of a book that you're trying to get from one of those libraries and you're utilizing it in your Python program. So pyplot, in simple words, this kind of a package is used for the visual representation. Like for example, it can be used for bar charts, it can be used for pie charts, it can be used for line graphs, everything. All those graphical representations that you want to have, or let's say creating the dashboards, you can use it with respect to the pyplot. So here we have pyplot. So when we use pyplot, it is always required that when you're importing the package, you want to get the functions associated with. And yes, without importing that, you will not get the graphical representations that you're actually asking for. So from pyplot, when we say import pyplot, and then what I can do is if I want to use something like a bar chart, I can use like pyplot dot bar chart, and there I can add all those parameters, and there I can utilize it. So the catch here is that the dot by bar chart, dot line chart, dot pie chart, it's all like they're sub functions. In simple words, I can say sub functions are more like an interesting chapter of the book, and when you go through the chapter of the book, you're trying to highlight like what is the thing that you want to require most. So when we talk about libraries, they're actual libraries. Then when we talk about packages, they are like a book. And when we talk about the sub functions, they are like a chapter that is associated with a particular let's say with a particular package. So that's about it with respect to the libraries, packages, and subfunctions. So this is your host Akhil Navluri signing off, and we would be back with another reel pretty soon. Till then, keep listening, stay tuned, goodbye, and offer. Thank you.